I'm reviewing a super handy portable fan that's perfect for staying cool on the go. This fan is incredibly compact and lightweight, smaller and lighter than your phone. It easily fits in your pocket or bag so you can take it anywhere. Despite its size, it delivers powerful airflow with 5-speed settings, giving you up to 8 hours of continuous cooling. What's great about this fan is its 3-in-1 design. You can use it as a handheld fan, a neck fan, or even set it up as a desk fan thanks to its foldable base. The 90-degree vertical adjustment makes it super versatile for any situation. It also comes with a smart digital display that shows the remaining battery life and current speed, so you always know when it's time to recharge. Overall, this fan is a must-have for staying cool, whether you're at a concert, traveling, or just relaxing at home. Thanks for watching.